Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to use the promote on your SAMSUNG Galaxy S25 FE. At first, you have to tap this camera application over here, and now you have to tap more. Here, as you can see, we have Pro and Pro Video. Let's start with only Pro. Here, as you can see, we have a lot of options, for example ISO, and we can, as you can see, decide to manage ISO of our image. Here we have speed, and we can manage the speed. Here, as you can see, I've modified it, so I can go to the next step. So wait a moment, I need to leave it and go back to this so that I can show you the rest of the options. Here we do have the autofocus, which can we set to center, multi or manual. As you can see, that's how it works. And apart from the autofocus, here we do have WB, and we can set, which is the temperature, and we can set the temperature of our image. Here, as you can see, I've modified the speed, so I can't show you how to modify the option in the middle over here, but that's how the promote works of the photo. Now I will show you the promote in the video. Let's leave that and let's tap more again. More. Here we have Pro Video, and Pro Video has, as you can see, the same options: EV, and we can set actually the EV from -0.04 to +0.40. Here, as you can see, we do have speed. Here we have ISO of our image, focus, center, multi, and manual. Here, as you can see, we have the left and right channels of the stereo. And apart from that, here we have the temperature as well in the photo. And apart from that, here, if we tap these 4 icons over here, we do have here, as you can see, the tone, and we can manage our tone, contrast, highlights, shadows, saturation of our image, and basically during the taking of the video. And here they have aspect ratio of our video, which can be 9:21, 9:1 full, and 9:16. I mistakenly left the Pro Video. Here, if you tap these 4 things for squares, here we have, as you can see, this microphone, and we can manage the microphone, Omni, Bluetooth mix, or USB. Here, if you tap this thing, we can set it, for example, to 8K 24 FPS or 30 FPS, which is normal mode. We don't have this 24 FPS mode. Here we have Ultra HD and 60, 20, 30 or 24. Full HD, which we have here 120 frames per second, low to 24, and HD. And that's how the promotes work in your Samsung Galaxy S25 FE. That's it, hope it helps you, and goodbye.